Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we are tackling something huge, building an automated sales pipeline in GoHighLevel from the ground up. We're going to turn that manual headache into a seriously powerful sales machine.
So, let me ask you, are your new leads just falling through the cracks? Are you losing track of who to follow up with? If your whole sales process feels more chaotic than controlled, then this one's definitely for you.
Okay, so here's the game plan. We're going to build this entire system together right from the beginning. We'll start with capturing and seeing your leads, then we'll get into the real power with the automation engine, build out a follow-up sequence, add some smart logic, and then put it all together. Let's get right into it.
Okay, first things first. Before we can automate a single thing, we need two fundamental pieces in place. A way for leads to actually get into our system, and a single command center where we can see all of them.
You know, the real beauty of a system like GoHighLevel is how it can just pull leads in from, well, everywhere. Website forms, DMs from your social media, forms on your WordPress site, you name it. They all feed into one central hub. The big takeaway here? You can say goodbye to manually importing messy spreadsheets forever.
So the second a lead enters the system, boom, it lands right here, the Opportunities board. Just think of this as your mission control for sales. It's a super simple visual way to see your entire sales process in a single glance.
And here's exactly how it works. Each lead is its own little card. And as they move through your process, from new lead over to contact made, you just literally drag their card over to the next column. It's so simple and so visual that it becomes almost impossible for a lead to get forgotten.
All right, now for the real magic. Let's look at the engine that drives all of this, the automation feature they call workflows.
And, let's just be real for a second. That word, workflow, it can sound pretty intimidating, right? As you can see from this quote, it's often seen as the most overwhelming part of the platform. But I promise you, once you understand the basic idea, it all just clicks into place.
So here's the core concept. Every single workflow, no matter how complicated it might look, boils down to just two things: a trigger and an action. The trigger is the event that kicks everything off, like someone submitting a form. The actions are everything that happens next. Send a text, send an email, update the record. That's it. Trigger, then action. Simple as that.
And a difference this simple concept makes is, well, it's huge. We've all been there with manual follow-up. We get busy, things get missed, it happens. Automation just removes that human error from the equation completely, making sure every lead gets a perfect, timely follow-up every single time.
Okay, enough theory. Let's actually build a simple automation right now so you can see exactly how this works.
Here's a classic example for you. The trigger: someone submits our claim offer form. Action 1, we instantly fire off a text message to them. Then we use a wait step to tell the automation to just pause for an hour. Then, action 2, it sends a follow-up email. Just like that, you've got a multi-channel follow-up that works for you around the clock. And here's the pro tip. You can keep this from sounding all robotic by using what are called custom variables. You can automatically insert the person's name or any other info they gave you right into the message. It's how you make your automated outreach feel really personal.
So that simple follow-up is already a total game changer. But what if we could make the automation even smarter? I mean, what if it could actually make decisions for us?
This is a problem pretty much every business faces. Just like this person on Reddit is saying, you don't want to treat every single lead the same way. Some are ready for a sales call right now. Others, well, they aren't a good fit. So how do you get the automation to sort them for you?
The answer is a workflow step called the if/else action. Honestly, just think of it like a fork in the road. It lets your automation ask a simple question based on the lead's data, like, is their income over $100,000? And then it sends them down a different path based on the answer.
For instance, if the answer is yes, they go down the hot lead path and get an email with a link to book a call. But if the answer is no, they go down the nurture path and get added to a long-term email sequence instead. This is automated lead qualification happening in real time.
So let's just put all the pieces together here. We've got our lead capture, our visual pipeline, and our smart decision-making workflows. What does that actually create when you combine them?
The result is a true sales machine. Leads are automatically captured and organized. They get instant, intelligent follow-up. And maybe the most important part is your sales team can stop chasing down every single person and focus only on the hottest prospects because the system has already done all the sorting for them.
Ultimately, what you're building is a safety net for your business. It's a system that guarantees no opportunity gets missed and every lead is nurtured properly. It fundamentally changes your whole sales process from being reactive to being proactive.
And really, this is just the start. Once you get comfortable with this logic of triggers and actions, you'll start seeing things to automate everywhere in your business, from getting new clients set up to customer support. The real question is, what will you automate next?